Kira Martin. This is Safmed's for 610, Section 813. Today is October 27th. I'm going to shuffle my deck. One of my professors recommended me not reading the entire definition on the video so I can get some more in, but still read out loud. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to split. Half. There's that. And this is my 1 minute timer. I'm going to start. A preference assessment where the assessor places two items in front of the learner. That is paired stimulus preference assessment. Aversive stimulus assessment are conducted. This is Punisher assessment. Description of events that are recorded by observer. That is antecedent observation. Anecdotal. Say that wrong. Closed-ended questions that may be used to determine information. That's a rating scale and checklist. The behaviors that when taught result in meaningful changes. That is pivotal response of behavior. Extent to which the behaviors to be changed and or the methods to affect behavior change are acceptable. That's social significance. So that is my timer. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not as good as I've been doing, but that's okay. I will keep going. Refers to contacting reinforcement independent of others is automatic reinforcement. The process through which a behavioral problem and its related variables are identified. Behavioral assessment. Functional assessment method with shortened duration sessions and or fewer number of sessions. Is a brief functional analysis. Does an X response as members of the targeted response class solely in the terms of their common effect is function-based definition. Individual behaves in order to get focused attention from parents, attention from others. Systematic method of assessment is FBA, or a functional behavioral assessment. An exchange between the behavioral analyst and the stakeholder with the goal of obtaining ABC, that is behavioral interview. General liking for a stimulus over others is a preference. Type of assessment that evaluates the relationship between the environment and the behavior is the ecological assessment. Individual behaves in order to get out of doing something is escape. Assessment that includes the same questions and tasks as presented is standardized test. Effects of an observation and measurement procedure of a behavior being measured. Reactivity. Includes review of relevant materials is a records review. The use of structured interviews to obtain information. Indirect assessment. Indirect functional assessment. Observation of the client in the natural environment is natural observation. Narrative observation. Component of behavior assessment process. Continues with the goal of developing the intervention and pinpointing specific behaviors. Pinpointing and design of intervention. Yeah. Okay. Variation of the FA, in which multiple contingencies are implemented simultaneously.
there's an okay. In control condition, there are same reinforcers are provided contingently and non-contingently. So interview informed. What's the synthesize contingency and analysis? Okay. That was the half of the deck. Didn't do as good today. Some of the definitions, I'm learning them, just not as quickly. And